Meaning of innuendo.
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 Innuendo. Innuendo refers to an indirect or subtle suggestion that carries a negative or disparaging implication about someone or something. It is often used in a manner that allows the speaker to make a negative insinuation without directly stating it. Innuendos can be used to imply a person's wrongdoing, criticize a political figure, or to damage someone's reputation. Although innuendos do not directly state the accusation, they are often powerful enough to harm one's image. They are frequently used in politics, media, and interpersonal communication to convey a hidden meaning or message.